Okay, so we're going to start with number 4. And in number 4, it has y equals 5 over 2x. So we are going to, graph this problem. And we also need to state the slope and the y-intercept. The slope is always the coefficient on the x. So we have a slope of 5 over 2. And then the intercept always comes after the x piece. And here there's nothing. So our y-intercept is going to be 0, 0. Which means we start at 0, 0. I'm going to swap the color just so you can see it a little better. And then we're going to go up 5 and over 2 using our slope. So each of these medium marks represents 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to go over 2. And that's another point. Up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 2. So we're going to connect a line through those points to create our graph. Moving on to number 5. Number 5 has a slope of 2 because that's the piece that goes with the x. And it has a y-intercept of 0, negative 6 because that's the piece after the variable when it's written in slope-intercept form. So creating our graph, we start with 0, negative 6, so 2, 4, 6. And now we're going to go up 2 and over 1. Up 2, over 1, up 2, over 1. And we're going to draw a line through those points for the graph. Number 6. Number 6 has a slope of negative 5, which means we're going to go down instead, and a y-intercept of 0, 9, because that's the piece that's after the variable. All right, so we're starting our graph at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we're going to go down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 1. Down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 1. So we're graphing a line through those points for number 6. Moving right along. Number 7. Okay, the slope is always in front of the x when it's written in slope-intercept form. And then the intercept is the thing that's added on to the end. So here I have a slope of 1/3 and a y-intercept of 0, 1. Which means I start at 1 on the y-axis. I go up 1 and over 3. And I draw a line through those points. And lastly, number 8. I have to change this into slope-intercept form because right now it is written in standard form. So we're going to move the x's over. These add to 0. So I have 4y equals negative 5x plus 8. To write it in slope-intercept form, I need y all by itself. So I divide both sides by 4. And 4's divide out. Here I have negative 5 over 4x. And 8 divided by 4 is a 2. So for this one, the slope is negative 5/4. And the y-intercept is going to be 0, 2. Now we're going to graph it. Starting at 2 on the y-axis. We'll swap that out. 2, and we're going to go down 5 and over 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my second point, and I can do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's my third point. Connecting those gives us the graph, and we're done. If you need to, you can go back and pause to make sure you get all that work copied down. and have a fantastic rest of your day.